Welcome to part 2 of the SAPC MVC platform tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing the changes made to the My Profile tab, as well as the different roles that fall under this tab. The My Profile tab will have all your registration information. If you have extra roles like being a responsible pharmacist or tutor or supervising pharmacist, you can gain access to extra tab on your page depending on the role you have. Please note that if you don't have any additional roles, your page will not have any of these tabs. Let us move on. Under the RP tab, there will be 4 tabs available to you: My Pharmacy, Inspections, Self-Inspections, and Recording Licenses. Let us take a look at what is available under the My Pharmacy tab. The first tab is Address and Telecommunications. Here, you'll be able to view and update the details of the pharmacy, such as contact number, career, and email address. The next tab under My Pharmacy is the Intern tab. Here you'll be able to view all details with regards to interns registered under your pharmacy as a responsible pharmacist. The following tab under My Pharmacy is the Learner Basic and Post-Basic Learners tab. Here, you'll be able to view all the learners that are Learner Post-Basic or Post-Basic who are within the pharmacy and all their personal information. The next tab is the Tutor tab. Here, you'll be able to view all the tutors who have learners and are operating within the pharmacy and whether or not they are active as tutors. The tab after the Tutor tab is the Pharmacy Staff tab. Here, you'll be able to view all the employees who are working within the pharmacy and their different roles that they have, as well as their personal information. The second last tab is the VAT number and annual certificates tab. Here, you'll be able to view the pharmacy VAT number and the pharmacy's annual certificates. The final tab is the Operating Hours tab. Here, you'll be able to view the pharmacy's working hours. Now that we have completed the My Pharmacy tab, we can move on to the next tab under the Responsible Pharmacy tab. The first one we'll be looking at is the Inspections tab. Here, you'll be able to view the last inspection, the inspector that did the last inspection, the date of the last inspection, documents, the improvement plan, as well as the inspection survey. The next tab under the Responsible Pharmacist tab is the Self-Inspection tab. Over here, you can take the self-inspection questionnaire and submit it so that it can be graded. The final tab is the Recording License tab. Once you click here, you will be redirected to confirm or update your contact information. Choosing above details are correct or update the above details. From here, you will also be able to accept or decline tutor or supervisor association. Thank you for watching the SAPC MVC platform tutorial part 2.